Hello, myself Pravikaran Manchkanti. I am from Vijayawada, Andhra Pradesh. I have done my bachelor's degree in Vellore Institute of Technology (PIT) and I am a 2012 passer in the stream of Electronics and Communication. My project in the bachelor's degree is a very low frequency electromagnetic field detector. EMF radiations, electromagnetic field radiations are very harmful to our health. These may result in brain tumor, chest pain, headache, as such. And these EMF radiations can be detected by an instrument called Gauss meter. And my project describes the development of a very low frequency Gauss meter, which is based upon a microcontroller with a 10-bit analog to digital converter. And this is the basic block diagram of the project. First we made a coil, and the output of this coil is connected to a high pass filter, and from this it was given to integrator, which provides a flat frequency response, and to the high pass filter and the low pass filter, which indeed gives the amplification of the signal and given to the gain amplifier. And from this gain amplifier is given to the gain op-amp, operation amplifier, and AC to DC converter, and to the comparator. Actually, coming to the theory of this sensor design, we made a coil, multi-turn copper coil, and the number of turns what we made depends upon the formula N is equal to V by 2 pi f B naught A, and where B naught is the amplitude of the magnetic flux density. And before going to this, we have to know the basics of Faraday's law of induction. What it says is electromotive force is generated in a closed loop when placed in a time-varying magnetic field. And this is how we made a coil. And this output of this coil is given to the high-pass filter, of which 60% of noise is reduced, and this noise comes from the household environment as such. And the output from this high-pass filter is given to the integrator, and this integrator gives us the flat frequency response. And from this integrator, it is given to the high-pass filter and the low-pass filter. High-pass filter of 100 frequency hertz and low-pass filter of 500 frequency hertz. And what happens in this high-pass filter and low-pass filter is that signal amplification takes place, and the output from this filters is given to the gain amplifier. And from this gain amplifier, it is given to the gain operational amplifier and analog to digital converter and the comparator. This is what happens. This is entirely what happens in my project. And finally, digital signal. Coming to the digital signal processing, what happens in this digital signal processing is output from the gain operation amplifier and the RMS output, and from the comparator, it is given to the 8-bit microcontroller for the digital processing. And this RMS output from the AC to DC converter is given to the ADC input of the microcontroller, and the square output what we got from the comparator is given to the frequency counter, and the memory is connected to the microcontroller itself. And from this, the output is given to the crystal output. The output what we get is from crystal output, and it can be seen from LCD, and we have provided a alarm to the microcontroller. And this is how my detector works. It is a portable, and it can be used for many researchers like geologists and health researchers and many researchers. And this is it. Thank you.